Welcome back, viewers. We are back with another fascinating topic to discuss: youth in politics. Today, we will explore various dimensions to understand the significant role our young generation is playing in shaping the political landscape of our country. Let's begin with a bit of history. Historically, youth have always been at the forefront of significant political movements in India. Think about the Indian National Congress. Its rank had many young leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. These young leaders later went on to shape the politics of India. Their presence was not just ceremonial. They were very much actively involved in the politics. This can be gauged from the fact that Abul Kalam Azad became the youngest president of Indian National Congress in 1923 at the age of just 35. Think of Quit India movement, where young leaders like Jayaprakash Narayan, Ram Manohar Lohia, and Aruna Ashraf Ali led the movement due to arrest of senior leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Jawaharlal Nehru. Their energy and vision were crucial in rallying the country against colonial rule. Post-independence, leaders like Rajiv Gandhi brought fresh perspectives and technological advancements into politics at a young age. Even Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee entered the politics at a very young age. He became a parliamentarian at the age of 32 and later served as the Prime Minister of India. Under his leadership, India became a nuclear power. Fast forward to the present. If we look around, the politicians who today look old and fragile were once young and dynamic. In fact, many of them entered politics at a very young age. Arun Jaitley, Sitaram Yechury, Venkaiah Naidu, Anand Sharma, D.P. Tripathi, Bhupendra Yadav, Manoj Jha, etc. They all entered politics in their youth. Some of them are not active now, but many of them are still active and serving the nation through politics actively. If we talk of today's youth brass of politicians, the likes of Kanhaiya Kumar, Tejasvi Surya, K. Annamalai, O.P. Chaudhary, Raghav Chadda, Chandrani Murmu stands out, and they are making significant impacts. They bring a fresh perspective to traditional politics, addressing contemporary issues like digital transformation, climate change, and social justice. These young leaders are not only influencing their parties but also driving national discourse on key issues. But there is an alarming sign. If we take a look at India's demography, its average age is 28. On the flip side, if we see the average age of Member of Parliaments in India, it is 57 as of 2019. In 1951-52, the average age was 47. This is an indication that average age of Indian lawmakers is increasing. Also, India has one of the least youth representations in parliament across the world. Taking people between 18 to 45 as youth, India has only 20% youth in parliament. If we make a comparison with some other countries, Netherlands has 66%, Italy has 59%, Denmark has 49%, Sweden has 46%, and Spain has 40%. Age brings experience. In that, it's a good thing, but youth brings fresh perspective. In that way, high average age of parliamentarians is a concerning thing. But why it's happening? Let's see. Firstly, barriers to entry. The journey into politics is not without its challenges. Many young aspirants face significant barriers. Financial constraints can be a major hurdle, as campaigning and sustaining a political career requires substantial resources. Social pressures, including family expectations and societal norms, often discourage youth from pursuing a political career. Educational qualifications and the need for a strong support network also plays a critical role. But is the story all gloomy? The answer is no. Despite these barriers, many young people are determined to make their mark, driven by a passion for change and public service. But how is it happening? Firstly, by youth movements and activism. Youth movements have always been a powerful force for change. From the anti-corruption movement led by Arvind Kejriwal and supported by many young activists to environmental campaigns like Fridays for Future, spearheaded by young leaders, these movements have significantly influenced public discourse and policy making. These movements showcase the power of collective youth action in driving significant change and holding those in power accountable. Many of these youth activists, like Arvind Kejriwal, later made their inroads into active electoral politics. Student politics in colleges and universities is also a way to get in. Public figures like Kanhaiya Kumar is a product of student politics. Recognizing its importance, most political parties have also established their student wings like Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad by BJP, National Students Union of India by Congress, All India Students Association by CPI. Political parties have recognized the importance of engaging with the youth. Many have established dedicated youth wings such as the Indian Youth Congress, Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. These wings focus on issues relevant to young people such as education, employment, and social justice. They also serve as a training grounds for future leaders, providing them with the skills and experience needed to navigate the political landscape. Technology and social media have also played a critical role. They have revolutionized political engagements. Platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook are not just for selfies and memes. They are powerful tools for young politicians to connect with their audience, mobilize support, and campaign effectively. Social media campaigns like Save Array have highlighted environmental issues and garnered widespread support, leading to policy reconsiderations. Digital tools also enable real-time engagement with constituents, allowing young leaders to address concerns and provide updates directly. Education plays a pivotal role in this journey. Political education and awareness among the youth are growing. Schools and universities are incorporating more political science courses, and organizations like PRS Legislative Research are conducting workshops to educate young people about the political process. Initiatives like mock parliaments and model United Nations conferences are also helping students understand and engage with politics from a young age. So, dear viewers, we are near to the end of this program. We just want to say that stay inspired and keep engaging with the world around you. Politics is not something to be demeaned. Politics is something to be engaged with. It's your responsibility to engage in politics. And if you are a youth, your responsibilities are even more. We'll meet again. Jai Hind.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.